Stop scrolling. I need 60 seconds of your full attention because what I'm about to tell you is going to change the way you see your own closet. If you are a Black woman over 50 standing in front of your clothes right now thinking you have nothing to wear, I need you to hear me clearly. That is not true. That has never been true. What is true is that nobody has ever shown you how to dress for the skin you are actually in. The deep, rich, sun-kissed, melanin-soaked skin that holds color the way no other skin tone can. Today, that changes. This is golden melanin fashion, and here we do not believe in fading, we believe in glowing. So if you are new, settle in because what you are about to see is going to live in your bookmarks for a long time. And if you have been here before, you already know we do not waste your time. We get straight into it. 7 outfits, 7 complete head-to-toe summer looks. Every shoe, every bag, every piece of jewelry, and every single one of them is going to look like it cost triple what it actually did. Because here's something I need every woman watching this to understand. Black women over 50 do not need more clothes. We need the right colors. We need fit that respects our bodies. And we need someone to finally say out loud what fashion houses have known for decades and rarely admit it. Rich, melanated skin is the most flattering canvas in the entire fashion industry. Every color reads deeper, warmer, and more luxurious on us. So today, we are going to use that to our full advantage. Summer is giving us crisp white, jewel tones, satin, bold florals, and color that refuses to be ignored. This is a masterclass in timeless fashion for women over 50, and it is built entirely around the skin you already have. Let's get into it. Outfit number 1, the crisp white linen power look. White on melanin is not just a color choice, it is a statement. I am wearing a wide-leg white linen trouser, and the cut matters more than people realize. Wide leg elongates you, moves with you in the heat, and gives that effortless, expensive silhouette without a single tailored seam working overtime. On top, a sleeveless white linen button front, loosely tucked at the front only so you get waist definition without anything pulling or restricting. This is what a relaxed, intentional fit looks like. Now the part that elevates the entire look, warm gold jewelry. Gold hoop earrings, a layered chain, a simple cuff. Gold against deep, rich skin is one of those rare combinations that genuinely looks designed, not accidental. Tan, strappy, block heel sandals, because we do not suffer in stilettos in summer heat. We are grown and we know better. A structured tan tote ties the whole thing into one clean, monochromatic story. And that, sis, is the real secret behind looking expensive. When your palette agrees with itself, the outfit reads as intentional. Wear this to brunch, to a gallery, to a business meeting, and straight into happy hour without changing a thing. Outfit number 2, loud luxury in emerald. If outfit 1 was quiet confidence, this one is confidence with her voice raised. Emerald green on deep skin is almost unfair to everyone else in the room. I am in an emerald satin midi dress, hitting just below the knee, with soft draping at the waist that gives shape without clinging anywhere you do not want it to. The midi length is having a real moment this season, and on us, it reads as elegant rather than safe. Because the dress is already speaking, I kept the accessories tonal. Small gold studs, a delicate bracelet, gold strappy flats, because flats are fully back this summer, and a small structured emerald clutch. Matching your bag to your dress is not old-fashioned. It is intentional styling, and Black women have understood that for generations. Wear this to a wedding, a dinner party, or church, and let the whole congregation wonder where you found it. Can we talk for a second? I am tired, genuinely tired of mainstream fashion media acting like style after 50 means dimming down. Nobody told Emerald, Cobalt, or Amethyst to dim down on us, and I am not about to start now. If that is a controversial opinion, I will gladly take the comments. Outfit number 3, sunshine and structure. Lemon yellow. Not butter, not pale, the real bright, zesty version. And yes, I am putting you in it. This shade is one of the single most flattering colors against deep, warm skin, and I want you to feel that confidence instead of fearing it. Dark wash, straight leg jeans, fitted through the hip and thigh, are doing the elevated heavy lifting here. On top, a slightly oversized lemon linen blouse, tucked loosely at the front, so the contrast between sunshine yellow and deep denim does the talking. I draped a lightweight white blazer over the shoulders without actually wearing it on the arms, and that one move alone takes an outfit from put together to editorial. White sneakers with a small platform, gold jewelry again, because gold is the quiet constant through every look in this video, and a structured white bag. This is a run the meeting, then run the world kind of outfit. Outfit number 4. Tomato red, no apologies. At some point in this video, you might catch yourself asking, is this too bold for me? I want you to remember something. You are a black woman who has earned every single year on your body. Bold was never the question. Tomato red, that warm, electric shade that sits between cherry and orange, is one of the defining colors of the season, and it is breathtaking against deep skin. I chose a wrap dress because the silhouette flatters nearly every body type, defines the waist, and adjusts to exactly how you want to wear it. This one hits just below the knee with a flutter sleeve for coverage without losing shape. Nude block heel mules elongate the leg, a simple gold necklace and studs keep the focus on the dress, and oversized tortoise sunglasses add that off-duty, untouchable energy. Wear this anywhere you want every camera in the room pointed at you. Outfit number 5. Cobalt satin and quiet confidence. Satin skirts are everywhere this season, and there is a reason. The fabric catches light in a way that reads as luxury, no matter the price tag. I went with a midi-length cobalt satin skirt, and cobalt on deep skin is genuinely unmatched. Rich, vivid, almost cinematic. A crisp, white, structured top, fully tucked to show off that beautiful waistband, finished with a thin gold belt at the natural waist. That belt is the difference between pretty and polished. Cobalt kitten heel mules, a white structured bag, oversized white sunglasses, and gold jewelry to finish. The whole look feels like a vacation you cannot quite spell the name of, and that is exactly the energy. Outfit number 6. The Amethyst jumpsuit. This is the one I personally reach for when I need to feel completely untouchable. A wide-leg jumpsuit in deep amethyst, that rich violet purple that sits somewhere between jewel tone and royalty. And I need you to really sit with this. That color belongs to deep, rich skin in a way other skin tones simply cannot access. It is ours. A flattering V neckline, a self belt at the waist, and wide, fluid legs that move beautifully. One piece, but it reads like a full outfit. Layered gold jewelry with a statement cuff, gold strappy heels, and a small gold clutch. Weddings, milestone dinners, your child's graduation where you are absolutely the moment. This jumpsuit handles it all. Outfit number 7. The Effortless Everyday. I saved this one for last because it is the most quietly powerful. A floral maxi dress in warm coral and ivory, smocked at the waist so it hugs gently and flows without effort. Some people still think bold prints are too much for women over 50. They are not too much. They are art, and you are wearing it. A cropped, light-wash denim jacket grounds the look, sleeves pushed up, giving that woke-up-like-this quality that takes more skill than people realize. White block heel sandals, a woven bag, coin earrings, and gold bangles that genuinely make you feel like you are moving to your own rhythm. Farmer's market, brunch, a summer concert. This is joy, dressed. 7 looks. And every single one was built on the same foundation. Knowing your body, knowing your undertones, and understanding that 50 is not a finish line, it is where dressing with real intention begins. I will keep saying this until the algorithm and the world catch up. We deserve to be seen, styled, and celebrated, not despite our age, but because of it. Golden melanin fashion exists for exactly that reason. Now I want to hear from you. Drop your favorite in the comments. Was it the white linen power set, the emerald midi, the cobalt satin skirt, or the amethyst jumpsuit? I read every single comment, and I genuinely want to know. If you are not subscribed yet, this is your sign. Tap that button, turn on notifications, because there is so much more coming. Full outfit breakdowns, styling for natural hair and silver hair, confidence, beauty, and aging gracefully without ever asking permission to take up space. If this is your first time here, welcome to the family. We are so glad you found us. And to everyone who has been here since the very beginning, thank you for trusting me with your time and your screen. Send this to a Black woman in your life who needs to hear it today. Your sister, your mother, your best friend who has been dressing like she gave up. She has not given up. She just needed someone to remind her. I will see you in the next one. Until then, stay golden, stay glorious, and never forget that your melanin was never something to soften. It was always the gold.